Okay, finally, after 2 hours of driving, we've arrived. Is this it over here?
That's it.
What is that, Thai? Let's go get a massage. Baga, original character. Oh yeah. That's right. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Eric Surf 6, and today I'm being joined by...
I'm Paul from Critical Eat Japan.
That's right, he's Critical. Yes. And we are at a very special place out in the country. It's a vending machine restaurant.
Yes.
Hot foods. This is the owner right here, Mr. Ishii. Thank you very much. It was delicious. Yeah, actually we're doing the intro at the end here, so yeah, now we'll reverse and eat. It's vending machine food.
Yeah.
You guys ask for it all the time. Here it is.
This is the place.
This is the place.
This is the holy grail of all vending machine
It was
places.
a 2-hour train ride and then another 2 hours in the car. So yeah. I'm 4 hours in right now. And I'm starving. How about you, Paul?
Yes, I'm very hungry. I hope it's good.
Let's go do this.
Let's do it.
It's a restaurant with no kitchen, no chef, no staff. Just us. It's a Gutenberger. That looks awful. Udon noodles, yeah, the udon, and here's the udon, here's the ramen. Oh, look at this, man, it's a toast sandwich. Toast sando. So it's either tempura udon or ramen. I'm gonna go with the tempura udon. Yeah. 330 yen, that's about $3. Takes 20. Oh, look at that little timer. It's LED. That's so cool.
Or something.
Yeah, 18 seconds.
Only 20 seconds.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
It is.
Wow. Look at that. It just pushes it out. Careful not to drop it. Look at that. Wow. Looks really good. Ran out of change. Okay, we're loaded, ready to go. I think I'm going to go with, this is tartar meat though,
yeah,
and bacon.
It's like chopped meat, I guess.
Chopped meat, minced.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. $3 hamburger. Yeah. This one takes, that's the same timer. 60 seconds. Okay. What's it doing?
I think it's counting down the 10th of a second. Like it's down to the last. There we go. I heard a bell. Oh.
Yeah, so
there it is.
It's in a box.
A little box.
Oh, it's tiny.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the toasted sandwiches. Yeah. Does it really come with parsley?
I don't know.
And a cup of coffee too? No, probably not.
Probably not.
So there's ham cheese, which smells really good because this lady over here just got it. And there's something with mayonnaise, garlic.
Like sliced garlic and ham.
Oh yeah, I gotta get that. Garlic, mayonnaise, yeah. $2.50. Little more than $2 for a toasted sandwich. Toastachu means the toaster is activated.
Is there a timer on this one? Oh,
no timer.
This thing here? What's that? Or is that? Oh, that's the temperature.
That's the temperature inside there, huh?
Yeah.
And look at this. You got to put on the little mitten. You get yourself some tongs, and you get yourself a tray. See? I am set up. What do I need the tongs for if I have this?
I don't know. There you go. There you go.
That's how you do it.
Okay. Oh, it's very hot. Yeah.
It says it's really hot.
Very hot. And sugoi oishii.
Got to go outside to get a drink. Because they only have Coke in there. They have Coke in the bottles, but I don't really drink Coke anymore. Paul does though.
Yes.
Yeah.
So anything appeal to you here?
There's no green tea.
No? Did you say there was?
Let's go to the Coke.
Oh, wait.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah,
The
that's what he was
Coca-Cola
talking
machine
about.
sells green tea.
Yeah, he said there was another machine over here.
Right there. Oh wait, it's got Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper is very, very rare in Japan.
Yeah.
Should I get it?
It does have doctor in the name. It can't be as bad as Coke, right?
Yes. I'll push them both at the same time, and then whichever one I get, I get. That's fair, right?
That's fair.
Got the green tea.
Okay.
I was hoping for the Dr.
fair.
Pepper. This is the car corner over here. Yeah. This is a little private place to eat. Yeah, this is nice. Got 3 items here. I think we'll start with the burger.
Okay.
It's called the taru taru mito, which is minced meat, I think. Is that right, Paul?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Steak tartare.
Look at how the box opens. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like the packaging. It's in a box, and inside the box is a wrapper. Smells really good. Yeah. Let's see how it looks. Oh boy, looks like a disaster. Oh my. It smells like a meatball. So it's like a meatball, and again, it's soggy.
It's an actual... okay.
And they call that a piece of bacon. It looks like ham. Okay, but the smell is there.
So it is an actual patty? It's not...
I'll let you know in a second. I'll let you know. It's like a meatball. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, processed. There's like a chili sauce on here. That's good. Yeah.
Good flavor though.
The bun is a 0 though. It's really soggy on the bottom, and then it's hard on the top, like a doormat. I don't know. I mean, the patty's huge volume. Look how thick that is. It's definitely meaty. Now,
There's not much to it. Just meat, bacon, sauce, and a chewy bun, I guess.
yeah. Kid friendly. Yeah. Meh.
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 All right, green tea. Went for the green tea.
Good to go? Okay, so let's try the stuff that I just bought. Let's kick it off with the Mexican burger here. And it comes in this little box.
Si, senor.
You just tear open, chan chan, like that. And inside it is wrapped in paper. And let's scoot this out of the way here. Yeah. It's been sitting for a minute or two.
Is that a surveillance camera over here? What is that? It's a surveillance camera. Is that yours?
Yes. Okay, so inside we have this. I guess it speaks for itself. It's tiny.
Open it up.
It's tiny.
Let's get a look
and
in
it's
there.
hard on the top and soft on the bottom. But yeah, let's crack this open. This was the Mexican burger. So yeah.
What's so Mexican about it?
It has jalapenos, I guess.
Oh, jalapenos,
yeah.
okay.
I mean, look at that patty there.
It's like a
that.
giant meatball.
It's like a giant meatball.
You care to add any wasabi or mayo?
I'm gonna give it a bite first, and we'll see if it needs that.
Okay. Trust me.
Who am I kidding?
Trust me, it needs
right.
it.
Okay. Yeah, it looks. Yeah.
Does it look critical?
Yeah.
Does it pass Paul's critical test?
Was it the same on yours? The top bun is like
Yes.
total AstroTurf, and the bottom one is just this sponge. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wow.
Same experience.
Anyone who's ever put bread in the microwave, that's exactly what that is, right? It gets all hard.
It does.
Yeah. I do like the jalapenos though. It does have a good flavor, but it's kind of a soggy mess, so I don't know. Should I throw on some mayo?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, sorry.
Use your pants.
Okay. Okay, mayo. What's this green stuff again?
It's called wasabi.
Wasabi.
Oh no, you don't want to go that. Well, that'll make it interesting.
Yeah. Let me
spread
that out.
Definitely going to change the overall flavor.
Yeah.
Kick up the spice.
Okay.
Improvise this.
There we go.
Chopstick knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did that bump it up to critical level?
It's good. It still feels terrible, but tastes a lot better. Okay. Had enough of that for now.
Next up is the, this is udon noodles. Chopsticks right here. Also the table's got condiments, look. So there's, you can add, actually I brought this. This is red pepper spice. Karashi. Togarashi it's called. Okay, a bit of salt and pepper. Nothing's coming out.
No.
What's this?
What's that?
This came from the toy box.
Toy box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does. They do have salt and pepper though. Kosho. A bit of pepper. No. That should be good. Oh, actually, see, I brought this, and then here it is right here. I did not need to bring it. But I've also got wasabi and some mayo too, which I won't be using either of for this. All right, here we go. So this is tempura udon. Tempura on the top, udon noodles on the bottom. And it's a mixed tempura, so vegetables. Ugh. Oh.
That good?
Oh, it's like baby food.
Really?
Yeah, soggy. Oh. Not happening. Oh.
How are the noodles?
Yeah.
The tempura
let's get into the noodles.
A bit
Okay.
soggy, but
A bit soggy. Here goes. The noodles are pretty good, I'll tell you what. For coming out of a machine, not bad. Plus, I'm really, really hungry. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is my first meal. But this tempura. It's mostly batter.
Yeah.
You know, there's not that many vegetables in it.
does it taste pretty? I guess you did throw a bunch of spices on it. Mm-hmm. Apart from that,
It needs it.
It needs it.
Yeah, it's pretty basic.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And the soup is it's one for a drink. It's pretty bland. Not much going on with the soup. What is that you got there? Fried rice?
This is some sort of ramen. However, oh yeah, all the toppings are down at the bottom.
Oh, it's got, is that Charlie? That's pork.
Yeah, that's the chashu.
Score.
Looks like a mushroom there.
Wonder how fresh that's going to be.
Yeah. So we've got a whole heap of noodles. Is this like a shoyu maybe? The sauce? It's like a darker sauce anyhow. And that's about it.
Shoyu ramen.
Yeah. I don't really see... Oh wait.
We got one of the doilies, fish cake.
Yeah.
I call it a doily.
A bit of seaweed. Is it called a naruto? Is that what that thing's called? I'm not sure. But anyhow, let's dive right in and enjoy this ramen. So I do eat school lunch, so I have had questionable ramen before. I'll just say that. It's certainly not the best ramen I've ever had, but you can tell that it's ramen, so that's a plus, I guess.
You can tell that it's ramen,
Yeah,
as opposed to some
flavor.
other food.
Yeah.
Is it critical?
The chashu is pretty good.
But is it critical?
It's not critical.
I am fascinated by your channel name. Can you tell? Critical Eats Japan.
Yeah.
What exactly does that mean, Paul? Have you ever explained that to your audience? I think they'd be interested to hear.
There's a few Q&As on my channel. You should go check them out if you want to know the answer to that question.
Otherwise, it's a 30-minute story.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So yeah, it's
something to do with punk rock.
Tastes fine. 300 yen was it? 350.
Yeah, about
maybe?
$3.
Huh.
Oh shit. YouTube はい。お店は何年ぐらいですか
3年
あ、3年ぐらいやってる。
はい
3年だけ
そうそうそうそう
おお。
Really?
ははは
Wow.
あの機械が古いですか
古い
だいたい何年ぐらい前
自分が50歳であれはねもう子供の時から40年ぐらい前
40年ぐらい40 years
ほんと
old
古い
おお
ヴィンテージ
ははは
だからよく壊れる
He says they break often へえ
本があるんだよねちょっと待って
はい
本持ってくる
Cool, he's gonna bring a book with the vending machines. Yeah, this is great. Got to meet the owner. All the books.
そう
Vending machine books.
そう、これよくまあ見たことあります。
ああはい、これどこに書いてあるかっていうのが例えば群馬県
あ、群馬ね。
これいっぱいある
わ
埼玉、
お。はいは
3つで茨城1個
い。茨城ね。
群馬県いっぱいある、
いっぱいある。結構いいビジネスですか、金額。
どうですかね
1ヶ月100万円ぐらい
どうだろうな
そう
儲かってたら
だって夜も12時までよね。
そうそうそうそう
結構営業時間が長いから。
どっか他は行ってないの
行きたい。
ああ
そう、私は神奈川に住んでる。神奈川県。
神奈川
だから相模原がある。
行きました
はい、相模原ね。はい。
あそこすごいよね
すごい。あれは種類がたくさんある。
勝てない
でももうビデオ出したからなんか違うところ行きたい。
ああそっか
なんかちょっとニューバージョン。こっちみたい。How's ramen, Paul?
これ丸宮自販機コーナーレジェンドショップ
じゃあそれおすすめ？
ね
ここから近い？
山の中
山の中。こっちから何分ぐらいですか
？1時間ぐらいかかるかな。
1時間か。
Is that north of here?
いや、ちょっと遠い方や。北の方？
北
ね。じゃあ遠い方ね。
日光の
戻りじゃないよね。
日光のちょっと手前。
東京の戻りじゃないよね。
ここがナンバーワン。
ナンバーワン。日本一。
有名。すごい有名。全国からここに来る。
Wow. This is the toasted garlic and something, garlic ham and cheese.
It seemed like that. He said it was his
specialty of the house. Yeah, the owner's actually in the house on location because it's daytime. But I think this is open 24 hours, maybe.
I think it said it closed at midnight.
Okay, correction. I think it closes at midnight, but yeah, I'm not sure if he's always here or what, but probably doesn't need to be here because everything's run by machines.
Right.
Yeah. All right, let's go in for a look. Toast sandwich. Oh, this looks pathetic. Ham and garlic. Yeah, a little bit of butter maybe, cheese.
Yeah.
This one's gonna need some help. When in doubt, just add wasabi. Yeah. Need a knife, or I'll use the chopsticks to
Right.
spread it around, and then some mayo, of course. Gotta have mayo. Yeah, everything's better with mayo.
Wasabi mayo is actually
Some of the
pretty good.
togarash. Oh yeah.
Oh wow. This is gonna be.
Now we're in business.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yum.
Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let's use the tin foil here, aluminum foil. Ready? Going in. Mmm. Oh, cheesy.
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 Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. A lot of cheese on this.
Wow.
Oh man, the wasabi, the mayo. Oh, it makes it.
Yeah. How's the garlic?
It's got some kick.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
You did warn us about it.
That was good.
Yeah.
This is the best item. Mm-hmm. The crust is a little hard. Well, that's okay. Oh man, this is food porn right here. Delicious. I think this is the best item. Mm-hmm. They could use some napkins. Tissues.
Yeah, that's true.
I'll just use my pants.
Okay.
Wow. Oh. Delightful.
So the final item I got.
Did you say you think this is better than instant ramen?
Yeah. No? So let's enjoy this toasted sandwich. What's up with that? Why is that on the outside?
Oh,
Is that
oh that's a miss.
what happened? So
You want to ask the guy?
I don't know. Let's ask him. すいません。すいません。このサンドイッチ。
それ中側でしょ？
そう外バージョン
外バージョン？
外バージョンオリジナル
This oh, this is
ス
on
タンダード
purpose.
メニュー
Oh,
は
I see.
外がオリジナル
So you get both? So double meat though?
ハムチーズ
So
Cheeses.
チーズ
Double cheese.
cheese inside.
Cheese inside, ham
Cheese,
outside.
mustard.
ハムが
Ham.
外はオンリーワン
Only one.
あ
I see.
香ばしいってわかる
ー、わかんない。
香ばしいわかる
唐辛子？ This
違う
one?
違う香ばしいじゃない違う
わさび？
違う香ばしいってなんて言うんだろうなあれ
からしじゃないよね。スパイス？
この肉は
ハ
Oh,
ham.
this one.
This is ham. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ham cheese. But at this place, they do original sandwiches, right?
Yes.
So they put it on the outside.
Yes.
Why not, right?
Why not? Yeah.
Why not?
Get your hands on that because there's
Why
no
not?
napkins in here.
Okay. So here we go. Itadakimasu.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Does it need any of the following condiments? What do you think?
Yeah. Definitely needs.
Is it a bit dry? Is it?
Also, I might want to like slide this inside as well. Hope he doesn't notice. Get out of my shop. Yeah, it's a little bit dry. It's dry and wet at the same time.
Soggy?
Yeah.
Man, you go hard on the wasabi. Sugoi wasabi.
Wasabi mayo,
多
daisuki.
分外側で
外側、
クリスピー
A crispy ね。
So
はいはいはい
if they cook it inside, it's just this, you know, spongy kind of
Right.
thing.
It makes
so
it
they put on
crispy,
the
that's why.
outside.
Okay, that makes sense.
Supposedly. Yeah.
Is it crispy?
It looks crispy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
大変だよ
Yeah. Wasabi mayo, daisuki.
もう外人
I feel-
バージョンだね。
I feel guilty. Huh? I feel guilty being watched by the owner as I add that to his sandwich. Okay.
Yeah. Definitely didn't get his seal of
He did
approval
not
for
like
that.
that.
No, he's like, what are you doing?
I'm glad we talked to him beforehand. This is good. This is very good.
Yeah, I think this wasabi's not that hot, actually,
Oh.
right? You haven't even touched your Coke over there.
Yeah, yeah.
No?
So it came out of a vintage machine, but it's still just a normal Coke.
It's not like vanilla Coke or a peach Coke.
This is straight normal Coke. Yeah.
It's got cocaine in it. Mm-hmm. Used to, right?
I think so. Yeah, the original Coke.
It was the way they called it, the Wonder Drug, right?
Did they?
The Wonder Drink.
Yeah. So yeah, there you go. This was okay. I wasn't as excited as you were, but after adding that, it really improved it. After adding that, it really improved it. Yeah, they were all novelty factor. It's off the chart, you know, but taste-wise, all very kind of bland, I guess.
This guy, he's really going for it, man. Yeah. A lot of maintenance happening. Cute underwear.
Where are you focusing on me? Right.
You can put that on your channel.
Okay.
Well, that certainly hit the spot. I am stuffed. There's a lot of volume with this food. First, I had the burger. The burger was interesting. Definitely interesting. It kind of reminded me of a meatball. Yeah, but very meaty for sure. Not bad flavor overall. I especially liked having the wasabi and the mayonnaise on it. Really added the flavor that it needed, I think. The udon noodles were kind of so-so. Don't show it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Because I eat everything.
I apologize.
That's okay.
You want to redo that?
No. So the udon noodles were pretty good, respectable, but the tempura on top was no, not having it. Too soggy. And then finally, my favorite item was the toast sandwich. Yep, that was amazing. Really enjoyed that, even though it was a bit soggy too, but it had the most flavor. Yeah, and very cheesy. So overall, I'm going to give this meal, considering everything, the uniqueness of it that came out of a machine, I'm going to give it a 5-star ranking. It's a nom nom. So not quite a 6. Yeah, the quality of the food's just not there. Definitely, if you want the best food in Japan, go to a restaurant for sure. But it's an awesome novelty, and these machines are really old, and it was cool to get to interview the owner this time. So this one was special. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought, and if you'd like to see some more from this same restaurant, go check out Paul's video. It's linked right up there. Go check out Critical Eats Japan. Yeah, he's got a great channel. He's got some great videos, and I know that you guys like Japanese food, right? A lot of you. He's got a lot of that stuff. He does more of the fast food kind of items. So if you're interested, go check it out. Link's right there, and we will see you guys in the next Eric Meal Time. Eric out. If you're new, hit that subscribe button top center of the screen, and also consider supporting me on Patreon. That way you can help me create better videos for you. Click on the link bottom center of the screen. For that, you can see many of the different reward levels for your support. Be well, and we'll see you soon.